What's up, people? Let's get into trading. Today is the 23rd of June 2026. Let's get into the Nasdaq and analyze what will be happening today. Okay, so we are on the daily time frame. As you can see, today we started the day with a big black rather candle to the downside. There's not much on the daily time frame, but we can obviously mark out this. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so now we are on the 4 hour time frame. What do we see? Price has been melting, guys. It has been going down, 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 down. Why? I don't know, man. Maybe there's some news that happened that I'm unaware of, because I mean, price did not take out this high. I don't think it did. Oh, it did. Jeez. Okay, so maybe that's the liquidity sweep of that swing high, right? And now price is just dumping to the downside. Let's check. Maybe there might be. Okay, we have a nice right here. We have a nice for our intermediate low. We also have for our fair value gap. That could be like on a higher time frame. That could be our these liquidity this liquidity pool could be our target for like the higher time frame daily buyers, right? We also have like big motion. All right, here we have quite a lot of fair value gaps. Maybe we should mark this one out. And the reason we are marking this one and not this one is because this candle is not closed yet, so we cannot really consider this a fair value gap, although I think there's a high chance that it will actually be a fair value gap, but we'll have to sit tight and see, right? So we have that for our fair value gap. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, I would like to honestly get rid of this 4 hour. Okay, not get rid, let's add this nice 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, we have that 1 hour fair value gap, and then we also have a 1 hour. We also have a 1 hour intermediate high. Bro, now I am doubting whether or not price will actually hit these. I think price is just gonna dump, man. It might obviously give us a nice um retest into, like, it might tap one of whether the one I don't think the 1 hour quite is as low as I don't think it's going to hit the 1 hour, the 4 hour fair value gap there. I think the low hanging fruit, the easier target would be the 1 hour intermediate high. And I think that's what's going to send price even lower, right? Yeah, I mean, this is like a crazy day. I don't think I'm going to take a trade really, because I mean, look at this candle right here. Like, how much is? Let me see. In order for price to take out the 1 hour intermediate high right there, it's gonna have to go up like almost 200 points, dude. That's like way too crazy for me. I don't think that's likely to happen. I mean, obviously, okay, we might meet some engineered liquidity here, which is probably Asia session high. Let's see, wait. Uh-uh, nope. Jeez, bruh. This is the London. Probably like this is London. Okay, we will see that in the 15-minute time frame. But do I think price will go up 200 points and then dump further? I don't really think so. I think the liquidity sweep we would be waiting for is on the 15-minute chart. Let's check it out. Okay, just hopped into the 15-minute chart and we notice that the 4-hour fair value gap is also a London session high, right? This is not making life any easier. Okay, bro. Okay, I honestly I do think that price will hit the the 1 hour intermediate high. That's as far as I think price would want to go. Wait, let me check something. Okay, so I do think that price would like just like hit this um this liquidity pool right there. It does look engineered to me just a bit though. Not that it's not that deep really. Um Jeez, bruh, it's crazy what's going on here, dog. I don't think I'm gonna trade today. I really don't think I'm gonna trade today, but I'm looking for sales. You cannot convince me to look for buys, dog. You might tell me, hey, bro, look at this liquidity sweep. Now we just have to invert these fair value gaps and then go higher, bro. Yeah, you might try, but I think I don't think it's a smart idea. I don't really think it's a smart idea. Oof. Okay, listen up, Nim. So we're looking for it's price is dumping, right? It's going low, 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 low. Right? What are we looking for? We want, in order to take sales, we would like to see price take this liquidity pool out, like literally everything, 1 hour, and take out this high, even the 1 hour intermediate high. Then I can look for sales, right? The 1 hour fair value gap, I'm not that big of a fan, although it probably will hit. It probably might, but I don't. I don't think I want to wait that long, and I don't think. I don't know. I'm like 60% it won't hit. I'm 40% it might hit. So maybe buys aren't a bad idea. Muhahaha. Maybe buys are not a bad idea because I mean think about it. What are we saying right now? What did I just say? I said I'm in a bearish I have a bearish bias, right? What do I want? I want to see price hit this liquidity pool, take it out, and then start giving us some bearish momentum, obviously, right? But so what do we have a guarantee of? We have a guarantee that if price would go bearish, we would have to take these out first, right? Okay, maybe not guarantee. I mean, I've seen it many times whereby price just pulls up and from open just starts dumping. We've seen that many times, but maybe okay, maybe not guarantee, but there's a higher chance for if you want to get like some nice sales to the downside, you're gonna have to like get this liquidity pool raided, right? And then look for an entry and then take sales, right? So what can we look for? We can look for open to like probably take out this low right here that just formed like 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago. Oh wait, 30 minutes ago. To take out this low and then like give us like a nice judo swing kind of thing on the 1 minute time frame and then start ripping. Obviously, I'm not going to really target this liquidity pool. I would get out at one of these 15-minute fair value gaps, right? Depending on which one I feel a lot more comfortable with. But obviously, like I would want to get out immediately, dog. Like, cause this is like very big, like selling pressure, dog. Even hearing myself saying, that's why I laughed. Hearing myself saying I would take a buy, like it's so, man, like I don't really want to, but I honestly would because these are great targets. I mean, I think even a seasoned trader would actually like a setup like this to take some buys in and out quick. But yeah, that's what I see. That's what I'm looking for. Um, yeah, I mean, just like a nice, let me draw it out. This is something that I would like to see, right? As you can see, what does open do? Open sweeps out that Judas swing, I guess, swing low right there, takes it out, and then gives us a nice inversion fair value gap, CISD, whatever the case may be. And then retraces into a 1 minute fair value gap and then starts getting giving us some bullish momentum. But see, this is where I would take my profit. This is where I would take my profit. You get what I'm saying? I mean, it's not really a big deal, dog. Just like an in and out, like actually right here, not even up there, just like in and out. 1:5 RR, 1 is 1,5, 1:1.5 risk to reward. That's it, dude. I am out. That's what I would like to see, but will it happen like that? I don't think so, bro. Look at that candle forming right now. It's about to take it out. It's about to take out my Judas swing out. So let's move on to the 5 minute. Jeez, bro. Like this is. Jeez, bro. This is crazy. I mean, this is just. I mean, will I take this trade? I think if it were to play out, it wouldn't really be an A plus. It would be like B, right? Because I mean, we're bearish. We have a bearish bias, but we're taking buys. We're taking long positions. Like that's quite that's not A plus. That's not you know the best trade ever. But it has potential. It has potential. Let's see what the markets do. This is my analysis. It's your boy Kani Major. I do this every day. Well, except for Fridays. I might do it some Fridays and some Mondays, but I try my best to avoid those because I'm still a beginner, really. So yeah, I do it every day, somewhat every day. I come, I analyze the Nasdaq, I share my thoughts. You can share yours if you comment. Obviously, subscribe if you like this kind of content and share with your friends. I mean, I definitely know that you are not a lone trader. Share it with your friends. Tell them about this great YouTube channel that you just found out. This guy breaks down the market like a genius, bruh. Tell them. I mean, that's facts. Peace out.